Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all in your Secretariat's practice class 12 standard. As you can see this slide, today we people are on the lesson number 12. Lesson name is stock exchange. So what is today's topic? Today's topic is related to the stock exchanges in India. We have already discussed about the stock exchange in our previous video. Today we will learn a deeply detail related to the stock exchange. You already know that stock exchange is a marketplace where the financial securities issued by the company which are bought and sold. So stock exchange are the part of the broader capital market system in India. Securities such as the shares, bond, debentures which are traded on the stock exchange after they have been issued in the primary market. So secondary market is also called as the stock exchange. First stock exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange. So Bombay Stock Exchange was known as the, in a short form, like the BSE. It is the first largest Asian security market in India, and it was established in the 1875. This is called as the Native Shares and the Stock Broker Association. It is located in the Mumbai in the Dalal Street. So BSE helped develop Indian capital market, including the retail debt market also. So it is the Asian first stock exchange. It is the first listed stock exchange in India. It is the 11th largest stock exchange in the world. Terms of the market capitalization, it has the largest number of the company which was listed with the particular stock exchange with the BSE. Over and all, there were 5,000 companies which were traded their securities through the BSE. Now it is dematerialized and the corporatized entity registered under the Company Act 1956. The BSE adopted a new technology through the electronical system in the 1995, where the securities were trading through the online. That system was called as the BOLT, BSE Online Trading. The BSE also introduced a capitalized exchange based internet trading system which is called as the particular website through the bsewebex.co.in to enable the investor anywhere anytime in the world they can connect it through the BSE platform. Second stock exchange, National Stock Exchange, which is also called as the NSE. So why the need arise for the NSE? As we already know that NSE was established in the 1992 to bring the transparency in the Indian equity share market. NSE ensured that everyone who was qualified experience and met the minimum financial requirement was allowed to trade in the NSE market. So let's read the paragraph. NSE was set up by a group of leading Indian financial institutions in the year of the 1992. That means corporation date is 1992 as a company and was recognized as a stock exchange in the year of the 1993 after the 1 year under the Security Contract Act 1956. It started trading activities in the 1994. It is the largest, second largest and the most modern stock exchange in India. The NSE is located in Mumbai. It was the first dematerialized electronic system in India. NSE was the first exchange in the country who provide the modern technology, fully automated screen-based electronic trading system which offered trading facilities to the investor. That means the investor can connect to the stock exchange anywhere, anytime to the particular stock exchange. The main index of NSE is the Nifty, which was launched in the 1996. So Sensex work with the BSE and Nifty work with the NSE. It is the one of the index where all the companies' securities are listed according to the manner. So stock exchange provide the platform where the investor as well as the company both can connect through the stock exchange to invest their money to earn the profit. Summary of the video, what we have learned in this video, we have learned about the BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, as well as the National Stock Exchange. So remaining topic from the lesson number 12 we will continue in our next video. Thank you for watching.